Hi everyone, my name is Chris Mitchell. I'm a managed service consultant here at ProVail Tech. Today I just wanted to do a quick video building on our last video about Veeam Service Provider Console and integration with ConnectWise Manage. Today we'll talk a little bit about tweaking or changing the notifications and the tickets that are coming from Veeam over to Manage. So let's get into it. Once you're logged into your service provider console, you're going to want to click up here on configuration, on notifications, and alarm management. And in here are all the pre-built alarms that Veeam provides you on a default install of service on Veeam Service Provider Console. So in here, you can add an alarm, you can edit it, you can change what the alarm comes into ConnectWise Manage as. You can change your rules. You can alter tolerances. You can set active or disabled, and you can change your actions. What does the alarm do? In this case, the Use Configuration Setting and Notification tab is where your integration with ConnectWise Manage would be. So we'll go visit that in a few minutes. And then you can also add and view internal knowledge base information that Veeam provides you on those errors. So one of the good ones to kind of look at would be is if you're using VSPC and Pulse Portal integration to manage your licensing, is by default the licensing is going to create a warning error at 14 days before expiration. So that's can be a little noisy, a little annoying. So if you come up here and we look for a license, right here we're going to edit our license expiration. So we're going to click Edit. We're going to go to Rules, and right here we can turn off the 14-day warning, or we can edit the 14 warning to 3 days before it's going to expire. And then we can keep on, create an error level ticket at 0 days or when it is expired. So this way you could tweak this to quiet down some noise coming into your ConnectWise Manage. And then what I was talking about before here is if you go to your plugin area and your ConnectWise Manage, in here is where you can make sure that it's tied to your ticketing. You can have your ticketing enabled, and you can have your alarms set to ticket to a specific board. You can tweak how often or how quickly it's generating the ticket. Maybe you don't want the ticket too quick. You want to give it an hour to maybe self-resolve the issue. You can change it here to give you a longer delay before the ticket comes over into ConnectWise Manage. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out. Have a good day.